Meaning of immolate.
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 Immolate. The word immolate means to sacrifice or kill someone or something, usually by burning them as part of a religious or cultural ritual. The act of immolation is often seen as a form of devotion and is practiced in some religions and cultures around the world. The result of immolation can be devastating and tragic, especially when it involves human beings. It can lead to loss of life and cause immense pain and suffering to those involved. While it may be regarded as a way to honor or appease a deity, it is considered a highly controversial practice and is often condemned by human rights organizations.